This is a demonstration of the portion of the sketch for Activity 1. Using Word, and it doesn't have to be real pretty or anything, but using Word, you're going to sketch kind of what your design will look like before you get started. To do that, use text boxes. So under Insert in Word, go to Text Box. And we want just a simple text box. Very first one there's good. And so put it over where you think you want it. Label it. I'm going to label this one image because that's what I am planning to have here. And I'm also going to insert a shape that is a star because this is going to be let me try that again. I clicked too quick. And I'm going to resize it about the size that I want. So I'm just using text boxes to sketch about what I want on my design. And there's my star saying that that's the focal point, is going to be an image of a dog in this case. And then I'm going to put another text box. It does not have to be the exact same size. You can sometimes create interest with creating boxes that aren't the exact same size. The important thing on this one, I'm going to use this as a bulleted list. So it's going to be mostly text, or all text except for the bullets. And so I may want to adjust the width of this box depending on the length of the phrases I use in my bulleted list. So that's going to be my bulleted list. And then I'm going to have at least one other text box, and this can change, but this just gives you a general idea of what you're going to do. I'm going to draw another text box at the bottom. And this one is going to have some large text, some smaller text, but it's going to have the information to call if they find the dog. Like who to call, phone numbers, etc., important information. But the focal point that should probably get their interest in this one is going to be the actual picture of the dog, which could even be larger than it is. So use your creativity to create this flyer about a missing dog and sketch it out first using your Word to have an idea of what kinds of items that you want to put on there. You may even want to do a small text box here with information and something of real interest here using a shape of some sort that might really catch their attention. Even you could use even arrows or things like that. You know, the loss of dogs sometimes kind of tugs at people's heartstrings, so you might even use a heart here. In order to get their attention, maybe with help find me or something like that. End of this video.